Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Damn, boy.
Aye!
Nice.
Monster Hulk not ready! Come to Hulk!
Bye, have a great time.
Ready for Monster? Defend this place!
Nope.
Defend here!
What are you aiming at?
I'm the one that makes all this possible, you know. I manage your entire life so you can do this.
Nice.
But I can do more than make money and take me. Tony, am I glad to see you. I wasn't sure if you're on the West Coast or...
Hell yeah!
You of all people are going to work at S.H.I.E.L.D.?
Yoink.
Hell yeah!
Damn, boy.
Okay, let's go.
Nope.
Let's go.
Baboon guy, pheromone power.
Here we go.
I'm gonna have to ask you to put down the money and surrender, or else you will be beat up.
Let's go.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Okay.
Here. Sorry, I had to scare Hank away from his lab.
Get over here!
I can't believe you don't think this is cool. No, not stupid Ultron, the Avenger!
Hell yeah!
Here we go.
We're superheroes now.
Yoink.
On a superhero team. I wonder where Thor's left before he comes out. Is he asleep?
Let's go.
The Hulk probably slept wherever he wanted to.
Yoink.
Hell yeah!
Nice.
Hey, would you look at the time?
Yoink.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Get over here!
Let's go.
Nope.
Hell yeah!
Bye, have a great time.
Yoink.
Nice.
Here we go.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Watch out! You're gonna crash! Ah!
Yoink.
Okay. Let's go!
You can do it!
Okay. Một bao đá cho nó cho Wee. Wee. Một bao đá. Wee. Wee.
Yoink!
Damn, boy.
Bye, have a great time.
Nice.
Here we go.
Another dimension.
Hell yeah!
That was easy!
Okay.
My spider sense told me to head to Vision's Academy.
Okay, let's go.
Look, I've seen him in action.
Damn, boy.
You can do it!
Okay.
Nope. Oh, hell no! Hell yeah!
You okay? Why are you so sweaty? Yahoo!
You can do it!
Yeah, that's something.
Oh, hell no!
I'm glad. I'm kidding. It's Wanda.
Yoink! Yoink!
Nice.
Yoink!
Damn, boy.
You can do it!
Nice.
Okay, let's go.
Một bao đá cho nó cho Wee. Wee. Một bao đá. Wee. Wee.
Nice.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Damn, boy.
Another dimension.
Oh, hell no!
Nice.
Một bao đá cho nó cho Wee. 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 Một bao đá. Wee. Wee.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, another dimension.
Một bao đá cho nó cho Wee. 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 Một bao đá. Wee. Wee. Wee.
Hell yeah!
Nice.
Yoink!
Nope.
Yoink!
Nice.
Nope. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Here we go!
Hell yeah!
Here we go! Nice job!
Oh, I've seen him in action.
Woo! Yeah, baby! Damn, boy!
What the hell? Oh my God! No way! Yeah! Oh, hot, 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 hot! Hot, 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 hot! Okay. Nope.
Yeah, baby!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Okay. Wee! Wee! Oh my God! Wee! Wee! Damn, boy!
Victory screech!
Welcome to Enjoy This Day. Hello there.
Damn, boy! Oh my God! Wow! Damn, boy!
Nice.
Here we go!
Welcome.
I'm ready! Yippee!
Okay.
Hiya!
Attack here. Join Hulk. Okay, let's go. Monster Hulk not ready. Hell yeah! The monster is about to come out of its cage. Hell yeah! Gamma energy growing. Nope. Ready for monster?
Oh, hell no!
No.
That was easy!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Ready to meet the monster? Okay, let's go. Defend this place.
But I'm not done yet.
Let's go.
Defend here. Hulk will retreat. Hell yeah! Should get out of here. Nope. Defend this place. Nope. What? Defend here. Hulk will retreat. Okay. Should get out of here.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Help here! Help Hulk! Hulk need healing!
Let's try all that again.
Hulk hurting! Enemies here!
What the dog doing?
Hold up! Wait a minute! Something ain't right!
Oh, hell no!
Are you kidding me with this?
Okay!
Way to use your free time constructively. You didn't get to the bank on time today? Didn't your mother teach you it's not nice to steal? Unless your mother put you up to this. Unless your mother put you up to this. I get the feeling that money doesn't belong to you.
No.
But I don't know. Drop your weapons and step away from the money? You guys know that crime never pays.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, no, maybe. How about stop?
Let's go.
Okay.
I hope you appreciate me coming here to smack you around for being a tool.
Here we go!
I mean, I am an A-list superhero.
That was easy!
Evil bad guys! Oh, just stop.
Damn, boy!
Yoink!
Okay.
Yeah, you with the gun. You said stop.
Damn, boy!
What the hell do you think you're doing? You can't just hit people.
No.
Who do you think you are, Spunky?
Nope.
So this is your idea of a night out on the town? It's clobbering time!
Nope.
Enough said. I needed a workout, not to worry.
Let's go.
This is a job for your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Okay.
I don't have my license, and even I know you're not supposed to drive like that.
Hell yeah!
Yoink! See? And this guy's gonna cause an accident. Who does this guy think he is? What a jerk!
Hell yeah!
Pull over before you hurt someone.
Oh, hell no!
He always is.
Riddler's next trial's in Bristol.
Here we go! Damn, boy!
The inscription reads, Ophelia. The victim had a hip replacement.
Nice.
Scar tissue hasn't fully healed, so it must have been recent. Deformity on the left ear. It's as if these weren't good enough for what he has in mind. Hell yeah! And I don't know what he has planned for them.
I'm out of ammo.
He wasn't safe. Then I burn every plant in Gotham. Tell me.
Nice.
You're coming with me. Why did Scarecrow lock you up? Over my dead body. Okay, let's go. Two-Face's crew is robbing the Bank of Gotham in Chinatown.
Let's go.
I found the mutilated body was causing down. It's time to pay a visit to his beauty parlor. Wasting time. Hell yeah! Jim needs to know about Barbara. He'll be back.
Nice.
What's unusual is that they didn't go missing in Gotham. Oh, hell no! They were brought here and killed.
Here we go!
We need to track down where this is. I can't leave Ryder to be sacrificed. I can't kill this team. Nope. I won't be able to stop my dad. Let's see if he's ready. I'm not telling him that Barbara's been kidnapped, Alfred. Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. He needs to focus on the cure.
Damn, boy. That was easy. Here we go.
Hell yeah! It's time to go to war. I can't overload the rocket launcher. Nice.
Bye, have a great time.
Watch out! You're gonna crash! Ah!
The explosion would kill the loser. I need to destroy the drones to flush out the ATC. Okay. This is your seat, Chief. The fire truck has clearly been attacked. I'm detecting a residue of napalm pointing to the use of an incendiary device.
Damn, boy.
Most likely a flamethrower. I need to find the clue as quickly as possible. Their lives are in danger. We all want this. Riddler's next trial's in Bristol.
Yoink!
He's losing Alfred, and that makes him dangerous. Celine is still trapped in the orphanage. Hold up!
Yoink!
Nice. Nigma's got something in store for us both when I get there. Whatever Riddler's built beneath Chinatown. He's not going to stop me. I'm headed to Divinity Church.
Yoink!
His pride won't let him. You'll fight me if I find your trophies? Get out! I should be able to rupture them with a shell from the 60 mil cannon.
You can do it!
Hold up! Wait a minute! Something ain't right! But one strike won't be enough, and I can't stay near that gun.
Yoink!
Me voy a matar, que mi último. Wee. Oh my god. Wee.
Nice.
Here we go.
Attack and fall back is my only option. You're too kind. You and me. We're gonna talk about Riddler. Deathstroke is my first priority. I've got this under control. Nice.
Watch out!
He's holding up. Who scares you more? Riddler or me? How kind.
Damn, boy.
Yoink!
I should get Ivy out of the Batmobile.
Let's go.
And into the containment unit. I'm going to try and identify the body. Nice. You were the last person to see the chief. Okay, let's go. Nice.
Here we go!
And I need to investigate the crime scene for clues. Hell yeah! Nope. Let's talk about Ridley. Try again.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
What the dog doing?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
It's the toughest yet. Riddler.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Welcome.
I'm Iron Man.
I'm Batman.
Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
Hello, I'm Venom. Hello, I'm Hulk.
Hi, I'm Slide.
Hi, I'm Sonic.
Here we go!
Nice.
Wow!
Wow.
Here we go again.
Damn, boy!
Oh, hell no! Yoink! Yoink!
Hell yeah! Oh no!
Let's go!
Nice. Wow.
Yoink! No, 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 no. Yoink!
Damn, boy.
Oh no! Hell yeah!
Nice.
Here we go!
I got a bad feeling about this.
We go again.
Nice.
No, 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 no.
Hell yeah! Oh, hell no! Okay, let's go.
Yoink!
Let's go!
Wait a minute!
Hell yeah!
Ouch.
Ouch!
We go again.
no, 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 no.
Yoink! Oh my god! Wow! Here we go! Yeah, boy!
Here we go again.
Nice.